Hello my friends, short review about second one. Similar model. I have this one tourist about couple months, and this one new is Spartan. It's absolutely the same, but the difference of sizes. In one we have 84 millimeters, and in second one we have 91 millimeters. If you don't enough tourist, maybe Spartan could be your choice. It's second one knife. First one for big cutting, for example food, maybe apple, maybe something eat. Second one for like unboxing parcels or something like it. This one bottle opener, and this one opener of other boxes conserve. Also what we have, this one is big, and this one I think more useful. Also you can customize it. I made review of turtle fire starter here, or you can change it to speak. Let's see some work, and then we will continue talks. In my opinion, tourist can be like a DCM model, and also it can be like keychain model. Spartan is a little bigger, but the same weight and little more size. I think that's cool for like one knife for all life, and you can choose a lot of different colors of those parts, but I love classical red, and I think it's more known, more interesting. But as I said, and what are cool in this knife, it's never mind your age, your status, your working, or maybe you retire, or maybe you student. It will be perfect knife for any life period. And never mind, are you rich or are you not rich, in the same time it would be cool knife in any position. That's all. In description would be link with little more info, my text review, and also would be link where you can buy it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.